All right, folks. Today we're diving into the 369 cleanse, a cleanse that claims to reset your body like a factory reset on your phone. But does it actually work? Or is it just another way to make us drink celery juice and question our life choices? Stick around because I'll be breaking it down step by step. And of course, giving you my pharmacist take on whether this cleanse is science or just a celery powered placebo. So, what exactly is this 369 cleanse? Well, it was created by Anthony William, the medical medium, who, fun fact, claims he gets medical advice from spirits. Yep, I said spirits. No, not the whiskey kind. But hey, it works. It works, right? The idea is really pretty simple. Three phases over 9 days to gradually detox your body and reset your digestion. Each phase eliminates more processed foods while increasing hydration, fruits, and veggies until you're basically a walking, talking kale smoothie. Let's break it down phase by phase. Days 1 through 3, the easy start. You start by removing processed foods. Bye bye fast food and midnight ice cream binges. Eat more fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Translation: fiber, fiber, and more fiber. Drink lots of water and start your morning with celery juice, which, let's be real, tastes like drinking the essence of a garden hose. Celery juice is supposed to be great for digestion and detoxing your liver, but let's be honest, it's an acquired taste. I personally like to call it the green sledge of hell. Phase 2 is days 4 through 6, the deep cleanse. Now you eliminate dairy, eggs, and gluten, so basically you've just canceled 90% of the average American diet. More raw fruits, veggies, and leafy greens. Smoothies, salads, and soups become your new best friends. Your gut might start detoxing, or your bathroom might see a lot more of you. And of course, more celery juice, because why not make your taste buds suffer twice? Phase 3 is days 7 through 9, the hardcore detox. No more fats, grains, or animal proteins. Just fruits, veggies, and potatoes. Yes, potatoes. Finally a win. You're encouraged to eat mostly raw foods, so if you see me gnawing on a raw sweet potato, mind your business. And more detox friendly drinks like cucumber juice and aloe vera water. At this point, your body should feel lighter, cleaner, and possibly like you just survived a juice based apocalypse. According to fans of the cleanse, this can boost digestion, support liver detox, improve skin health, increase energy, and reduce inflammation. Now, are these benefits scientifically proven? Well, kinda. The cleanse is full of fruits, veggies, and hydration, which we know are good for you. But do you need to follow this specific plan to be healthy? Not necessarily. Some of these claims, like it removing viruses from your liver, aren't backed by science. But the cleanse does eliminate a lot of processed junk and inflammatory foods, which can naturally make you feel better. Now, who is a good candidate for this diet? Well, people looking to reset their diets after too many cheat days, those who need more fruits and veggies in their lives, and anyone wanting a gentle digestive cleanse. But this is not ideal for people with diabetes or blood sugar issues, since it's high in fruit sugar, or those who need more protein for muscle mass, or anyone who gets hungry easily. Because let's be real, surviving on smoothies can make you a bit grumpy. If you do try it, just listen to your body. If you start feeling dizzy, weak, or like you'd trade your car for a cheeseburger, it might not be the best fit for you. So, final verdict: the 369 cleanse isn't magic, but it's not bad either. If it helps you cut out junk food, eat more whole foods, and hydrate, it's a great jumpstart to a healthier lifestyle. But if you're expecting instant liver detox, or for your body to start glowing like a light bulb after 9 days, you might be disappointed. At the end of the day, the best diet is the one that you can actually stick with long term, preferably one that doesn't make you dream about pizza at 3 a.m. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, excuse me while I go celebrate this cleanse. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and like I always say, be happy and be healthy. I'll see you in the next video.